It is crucial for us to acknowledge that despite any disparities or disagreements, we are not opponents, but rather partners in this journey. Our unity and collaboration are essential for our collective success. Let us not allow any misunderstandings or emotional strains to drive a wedge between us. Instead, let us focus on nurturing the strong bonds of camaraderie and mutual respect that unite us. Together, we can overcome any challenges that come our way and achieve remarkable outcomes. Our solidarity is our strength, and it is imperative that we preserve and cherish it. Let us stand together, recognizing the value of our alliance and the power it holds. With open minds and open hearts, let us move forward as allies, embracing our differences and working towards a common purpose. In the course of our interactions, it is imperative that we recognize the nature of our relationship. It is not one characterized by hostility, but rather by camaraderie. It is a bond built on mutual respect, understanding, and shared goals. However, there may be instances where challenges arise, and it is during these times that we must be vigilant in preserving the integrity of our connection. It is undeniable that there will be moments of disagreement, differing perspectives, and perhaps even conflict. Yet, it is precisely during these junctures that we must reaffirm our commitment to maintaining a relationship founded on trust and goodwill. We cannot afford to allow any discord to transform our camaraderie into animosity. The stakes are too high, and the consequences too grave. The strength of our relationship lies in the deep-seated affection that unites us. This affection transcends individual differences and serves as the bedrock upon which our collaboration is built. It is this very affection that compels us to address any challenges that may arise with a spirit of cooperation and understanding. We must acknowledge that the path we have chosen to walk together is not without obstacles. There will be moments of uncertainty, moments when we may falter, and moments when the way forward seems obscured. Yet, it is precisely during these moments that we must draw upon the reservoir of affection that binds us. It is this affection that will guide us through the tumultuous waters and lead us to calmer shores. It is vital that we do not allow any external forces or internal discord to fracture the foundation of our relationship. We must remain steadfast in our commitment to each other, unwavering in our support, and resolute in our determination to overcome any obstacles that may stand in our way. We cannot afford to underestimate the significance of our relationship. It is not merely a matter of convenience or expediency, it is a bond that has the potential to yield immeasurable benefits for all involved. It is a partnership that holds within it the promise of progress, growth, and mutual fulfillment. As we navigate the complexities of our shared journey, it is essential that we approach each challenge with a sense of unity and purpose. We must resist the temptation to allow any differences or disagreements to overshadow the common ground upon which our relationship is built. It is through a concerted effort to bridge these gaps that we will emerge stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to face whatever lies ahead. In conclusion, let us reaffirm our commitment to preserving the camaraderie that defines our relationship. Let us not allow any challenges to erode the deep-seated affection that unites us. Instead, let us confront these challenges with the spirit of cooperation, understanding, and unwavering determination. Together, we can ensure that our relationship remains a source of strength, support, and inspiration for all involved. It is crucial for us to recognize and acknowledge that we are not adversaries, but rather allies on a shared journey. In our interactions and relationships, it is imperative that we resist the temptation to adopt a confrontational stance. Instead, we must strive to cultivate an atmosphere of cooperation and mutual respect. Despite the inevitable disagreements and tensions that may arise, we must remain steadfast in our commitment to preserving the enduring connections that bind us together. These bonds are forged from a foundation of warmth, empathy, and understanding, and it is our collective responsibility to safeguard them from the corrosive influence of discord. When we allow ourselves to be consumed by animosity and hostility, we jeopardize the very fabric of our interconnectedness. It is only through embracing a spirit of conciliation and harmony that we can truly thrive as a unified entity. By nurturing an environment of goodwill and camaraderie, we create the fertile ground upon which trust and collaboration can flourish. Let us not succumb to the allure of division and enmity, but instead, let us embrace the power of unity and solidarity. It is through our unwavering dedication to bridging divides and fostering understanding that we can overcome any obstacles that stand in our path. In every interaction, let us strive to exemplify the virtues of compassion, empathy, and magnanimity. Let us approach each other with open hearts and open minds, seeking common ground and shared goals. By doing so, we not only fortify the bonds that unite us but also pave the way for a future defined by cooperation and mutual empowerment. It is incumbent upon each and every one of us to actively reject the allure of antagonism and instead embrace the transformative potential of collaboration. Together, we possess the capacity to transcend discord and forge a path towards collective prosperity and well-being. In conclusion, let us remember that our strength lies in our unity, and our resilience is derived from our ability to rise above discord. By upholding the principles of harmony, empathy, and solidarity, we can navigate any challenges that come our way and emerge stronger, together. We must come to the realization that we are not adversaries, but rather partners in this journey. It is imperative that we steer clear of animosity and conflict. Despite any disagreements or conflicts that may have arisen, it is crucial that we do not let them erode the strong bonds of affection that bind us together. Our collaboration is essential for our collective success, and we must work together in harmony to achieve our common goals. Let us put aside any differences and focus on our shared objectives. By standing united, we can overcome any challenges that come our way. It is in our best interest to maintain a spirit of cooperation and mutual support. Let us remember that our strength lies in our unity, and by working together, we can accomplish great things. I urge you to consider the bigger picture and prioritize our partnership over any individual grievances. Together, we are capable of achieving remarkable feats, and it is only by standing shoulder to shoulder that we can reach our full potential. I implore you to join me in reaffirming our commitment to collaboration and solidarity. Our alliance is a source of strength, and it is essential that we nurture and protect it. Let us move forward with a shared sense of purpose and determination, knowing that our unity is our greatest asset. I am confident that by embracing a spirit of cooperation, we can overcome any obstacles and emerge stronger than ever. Together, let us build a future based on mutual respect and understanding, where our differences only serve to enrich our partnership. I am convinced that by choosing unity over discord, we can create a brighter tomorrow for ourselves and those we serve. It is absolutely crucial for us to acknowledge the fact that we are not in opposition to one another, but instead, we are in collaboration. It is of utmost importance that we do not permit any circumstances to transform us into adversaries. Despite any challenges that may have emerged, it is absolutely vital that we do not allow them to break the strong bonds of love and connection that unite us. We must remember that our partnership is essential for our mutual success and well-being. Let us work together to overcome any obstacles and preserve the harmony and cooperation that are so valuable to us. We must stand united and committed to our shared goals, understanding that our strength lies in our unity. Together, we can conquer any difficulties and achieve greatness. Let us reaffirm our commitment to each other and move forward as steadfast allies, with a shared vision and unwavering determination. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we post the latest videos. Thank you and goodbye. Wish you always happy.